Hello friends, it's Mr. Black coming to you with another video. So this video is for my violins and my violas. We're going to talk about what is a shoulder rest and how do you use it and how do you put it in your instrument. So I would love for you to get your instrument and do it along with me so you understand how to do it. Okay, so first things first, what is a shoulder rest? So a shoulder rest is basically something that we use to rest our shoulder. Our violin is made out of wood. And so that wood is pretty hard. So just having a bare piece of wood on your shoulder, that's not really comfortable, is it? No. So we like to put something on the back of our violin to make it more comfortable to place our violin and viola on our shoulder. So that's where these come in. You're probably saying, Mr. Black, that's just a sponge and a rubber band. No, it's a shoulder rest. And I'm going to show you how to put it on your violin or viola. So first things first, you have to find the right corner of your violin. This is the corner that we want to use. This is the right side. For me, it looks like the right side. But if it's not the right side for you, it's the same side that your chin rest is on. So you see your chin rest is right there? And that's the corner we want. So what you're going to do is take your rubber band and put it on that corner of your instrument like this. And then the bottom part goes on the pin that's at the bottom. This pin right here. Okay, so you have one part on that side, one part right there. And you see, that rubber band isn't going anywhere. Okay, so that's you're halfway there. Last step, you get your sponge and you just put it under the rubber band, just like this. And you're done. And when you put it on your shoulder, you have your sponge. That makes it a little bit more comfortable to play your instrument, okay? So I've seen other people put their rubber bands on differently. I've seen people put their rubber bands on this way, where they take one half and they put it on the other side, just like this. What this does is makes the rubber band a little bit tighter. So if your rubber band was loose and you find your sponge keeps falling out, maybe you could do this way, and that'll make the rubber band a little bit tighter for it to stay on, okay? Awesome. Now I'll take this off. Now in class, you probably see Mr. Black not have a sponge, but I have something like this on my violin. So this is a shoulder rest. This is another version of a shoulder rest, and it does the same thing, except instead of using a sponge and rubber band, you just slide it onto your instrument, just like this, just like that, and it does the same thing that your sponge does, okay? So I don't have these to give out to everyone. That would be a lot of shoulder rests, but they are fairly cheap. You can get a good one for like $6, maybe even $10 on Amazon or at the local violin shop. But if you need some help to find one, if you want that and you don't want a sponge, you can just talk to me and I can help you out. All right, so I really hope this video was helpful for you into learning what is a shoulder rest, why do we need it, and how to put it on, okay? So I hope to see you in our next class with your sponge. All right, see you later.